Today we are reacting golden retriever things. So as a first video, I choose this one. Let's see.
Leave it. Don't
Oh,
touch it.
there is two golden
Leave
retrievers.
Don't touch it.
So
Now
beautiful.
I'm going to be right back, okay? You guys stay there.
They told not to eat. Let's see. Interesting. This one can't wait. You're gonna be eat it. Oh, they fucked up. Nice one.
Leave it. Don't touch
Let's
it.
go to next one. Let's choose this one. This is maybe emotional. Wow. Golden retriever things is they are so emotional and they are so intelligent as I see. Let's go to next one. Next we choose this one. These cute puppies. This is like heaven, guys. Wow. Wow. Such a beauty. So cute. I liked it. Next, what we can choose? This may be so funny. Wow.
Oh, what's up, kiddo?
Wow. Nice video. We go to the next one. Next one is Thief versus my golden retriever. Let's test this. Thief.
I take pleasure in introducing you.
Thief friendly thief. I think this breed is most friendliest dog breed. What do you think? Comment below. Next go to the what video? Oh, this is so emotional.
This girl felt so
maybe.
confused when she saw her golden retriever suddenly run over to the mother
This
cat
golden
and gently
retriever
pick up one
play
of her
with
kittens
kittens.
right in front of her. She told the dog to put the kitten down, but he refused to let go. Then, to her surprise, he went back to the mother cat and took another kitten, carrying it over to his own bed where his two golden retriever puppies were sleeping. That's when she realized maybe he just wanted to help the mother cat,
He's
giving
so
her a
caring.
little break while he watched over the
He
babies.
may be she. What do you think?
This girl felt so confused
Wow.
when she saw her golden retriever suddenly run over to the mother cat and
Golden
gently pick up one of
retriever
her
is
to
so
put
lovely.
the kitten down, but he refused to let go. Then, to her surprise,
Next one. This is weird. Let's see.
Golden retrievers aren't just dogs. They're pure joy on four legs. Just one tail wag can
Wow.
turn your whole day around. They're super friendly and get along with everyone. Kids,
Yes,
adults,
I agree
other
with that.
dogs,
They are
even
super
cats.
friendly
That's why they're one of the best
and
picks for
intelligent.
first-time dog owners.
They are so intelligent,
Goldens are
guys.
playful, energetic, and love being outdoors. Running, playing fetch, swimming. You name it, they're in.
Wow.
But don't let the energy fool you. They're also gentle, calm, and amazing with kids. They're
They
always
are
smiling,
trustworthy,
always caring
even
out,
with babies.
and always ready to love. Just keep in mind, they hate being left alone and can get anxious if you're gone too long. A golden retriever is more than a pet. It's a loyal best friend who wants to be
Wow.
by your side
Look at his
every
face.
single day. Golden retrievers
Wow.
aren't just dogs. They're pure joy on four
I
legs.
like it too.
Just
Next, let's see this one. This may be AI video, maybe.
Hey, whoa! Max! Max, it's cake! Alright, it's yours. I get it. Easy boy.
However, it's so cute.
Hey, whoa! Max! Max, it's cake! Alright, it's yours. I get it. Easy boy.
Nice one.
Okay, bud, ready?
You are the 7. You are the 7.
Hey, whoa! Max!
What's next? Teddy got the tastiest deal ever. Let's see, what's that? Zook's
Did you
meal?
steal my credit card again?
I don't know what it is.
At this point, Zooks should just sponsor you.
This may be advertisement, I guess. But it seems nice. I don't like it.
Did you steal my...
Let's see. Let's see this one.
This golden retriever wasn't just sad, she was grieving. Her eyes shattered windows to a broken soul. A fire had taken all her puppies, and from that moment everything changed. She stopped eating, she stopped playing. The joyful, tail-wagging dog was gone. Her toys untouched, her name ignored. She curled up in the same spot every single day, waiting for tiny paws that would never return. Her heart was broken. The family tried everything. Treats, cuddles, walks, nothing worked. Until one morning by the garden sat a small box, and it
It's look
moved.
like
She
the
stepped
story.
closer
I
and
don't like it. Let's see another one. Golden Retriever puppy. Let's see. Cute all over. It should be a yoga class, so maybe something. But it's nice. I like it. So I am going to over this video for today. Comment your idea about our reactions. See you guys. See you in next video.